Picture this, you're driving through the sun-soaked plains of the Outback, the wind in your hair, the horizon stretching out endlessly before you. Your destination? Anywhere your heart desires. With the Plenty X double-folding camper, the whole of world becomes your playground. Imagine setting up camp on the breathtaking beaches of the Gold Coast. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting an orange glow over the waves, you're not just an observer of this beauty, you're immersed in it. The Plenty X isn't just a camper, it's your home on wheels, designed for the modern explorer who craves both adventure and comfort. Unfold the Plenty X, and in just 2 minutes, your base camp is ready. The lightweight aluminum poles with quick locks and gas struts make setup a breeze. Your annex, a spacious 6.32 by 2.32 meters, becomes a cozy living space complete with walls, a draft skirt, and a floor. Inside, you have everything you need: a plush double-sized foam mattress for restful nights, a lounge that transforms into a second bedroom, and ample under-seat storage. After a day of exploring the rugged terrains or pristine beaches, there's nothing better than a hearty meal. With the fully equipped stainless steel kitchen that slides out effortlessly, you can cook up a storm. The large sink, electric pump, and multi-burner stove mean you're not sacrificing the joys of home cooking. And for those sunset moments, the 95L dual-zone fridge/freezer keeps your beverages chilled and your food fresh. Whether it's sharing stories around the table that seats 6 or watching a movie under the stars, the Plenty X has you covered. The entertainment system includes a remote-controlled TV, DVD player, and a stereo with USB and HDMI inputs. Imagine snuggling up with your loved ones, the day's adventures playing back on the screen as you plan tomorrow's escapades. The Plenty X is built for the long haul. With 2x100Ah LiFePO4 lithium batteries, a REDARC inverter, and a 200W solar panel, you're always powered up. From the sleek baked enamel finish and robust zinc-anneal steel construction to the thoughtful details like internal LED lights and a full annex for added space, every element is designed to enhance your journey. Priced at $30,990 $21,800 the Plenty X makes your dream of endless adventure a reality. It's not just about reaching a destination, it's about the journey and the countless memories you'll create along the way.